Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I present to you our project proposal titled Electrical Safety is in Your Hands, a visual campaign raising awareness on electrical hazard. This initiative is designed to enhance awareness of electrical hazards and promote energy conservation within the community of Puraza, Santa Mesa, Manila. With this, a significant risks posed by with the significant risks posed by improper electrical wiring in urban settings, it is essential to implement safety measures within our households. This project will engage students in creating informative visual materials such as infographic and posters that highlights the danger of electricity, alongside effective preventive strategy and energy-saving tips. Introducing the proponent and the implementer of the said project are Barbarona, John Alexis, Briones Mamal de los Reyes, Diaz John Steve, Dropper Lyril Joyce Ann, Fieldad Jana, and lastly, Natagan Isabel Ital. And here are the contents: objectives, rationale, description, beneficiaries, and lastly, work plan. For further discussions, I am calling the attention of Ms. Fieldad to explain the objectives.
First objective is to provide basic information and learning about electrical hazard. Number 2 is to give tips on how to save electricity and use it efficiently. Number 3 is to educate people that live in residential areas about the importance of learning the electrical hazard to avoid accidents and to save electricity. The main purpose of this poster or awareness is to provide essential information and educate individuals about electrical hazards, and second, to offer practical tips on how to save electricity and use it efficiently. We all know that understanding electrical hazard is important for preventing accidents such as electric shock, fires, or equipment damage, particularly in residential areas. By learning about the potential dangers and how to avoid them, individuals can lessen the risks associated with electricity. It is essential to promote energy efficiency in order to reduce electricity use and limit environmental effects. Simple actions like turning off unused appliances, utilizing energy-efficient device, or optimizing heating and cooling system can help save energy, reduce utility bills, and contribute to sustainability efforts. In general, these objects seek to promote a safer and more responsible behavior towards electricity consumption.
Understanding electrical hazard prevention is crucial to reducing fire risk in urban areas in the Philippines, where improper wiring and maintenance pose serious dangers. Many households are at risk, but this can be mitigated through knowledge and preventive measures. To address this, students will create visual media on electrical hazards and energy-efficient appliance use. These materials reviewed by an electrical engineering professor for accuracy will be distributed along with a short 2 to 3 minutes lecture and a QR code linked to a detailed video. Residents of Puraza, Santa Mesa, Manila will have access to these resources to improve home safety. While residents cannot control external electrical issues, this initiative aims to equip individuals with the information needed to prevent fire hazards inside their homes, ultimately benefiting the entire community.
This project focuses to publicize safety awareness and electrical energy conservation to residents of Pureza, Santa Mesa, Manila. The individuals who experience Electrical issues will be given a brief lecture, then a poster will be distributed. The contents of posters spread awareness to beneficiaries about the dangers of electrical hazards. The contents of the posters are the harms of electrical hazards such as electrocution, electric fire, injuries related to electricity, etc., and their solutions.
Next is the beneficiaries. The primary beneficiaries of this project are the residents of Pureza, Santa Mesa in Manila. They will directly gain access to valuable information and resources about electrical safety and energy efficiency. This project aims to reach a diverse group within the community, including first is the households. Local families will benefit from this project, helping them gain a better understanding of electrical hazards and learning how to implement preventive actions to maintain home safety. Next is the children. Young residents will be informed about electrical safety from an early age, encouraging responsible attitude towards electricity and their consumption. Lastly is the students. Students can utilize the information this project will hold, especially those with the intent to major in electrical engineering, providing advanced knowledge about electrical hazards and safety, and also an advantage by adopting preventive measures against electrical hazards.
During this period, we will focus on the key phases of implementation to ensure a smooth and efficient process. Each day will be dedicated to specific tasks and objectives to facilitate true progress and collaboration among team members.
This project proposal was to create a safer and more sustainable environment by designing an informative poster for local households. The poster aimed to highlight common electrical hazards and provide practical tips for saving electricity. We received full support from Honorable Kid Marasigan, Barangay Captain of Barangay 628, Zone 63, District 6 in Manila, and received full positive impact. However, collaboration with Professor Raymond Alfonso, Chairperson of Mechanical and Electrical Engineering Technology, was unsuccessful due to unmet criteria within the deadline and scheduling conflicts. While we will not proceed with implementing this project at this time due to a lack of resources and time, the knowledge gained from this project can serve as a starting point for future initiatives. We hope the ideas presented here will be valuable for future discussions and planning in this area.